everyone, it's Rain. I know I haven't updated a video in a really long time. I'm really sorry about that. But as you see, I've been kind of busy. This is the new addition to our family. This is Tofu. He's the little fancy budgie that loves to talk, like most birds do. And I am in the process of trying to train and bond with it. This is my first bird, so I'm kind of flying a little blind. I've been doing a lot of research and everything, and I was really surprised Tofu is actually not as flighty or scared as I thought that it would be. And I'm still not sure as to the gender, because Tofu is still very young. I'm thinking a female, but part of the cere is still like a little bluish color. So I guess I won't know until later on when Tofu gets a little older. So I'm gonna see here if I can put my hand in and give Tofu a little pet. I was working with it earlier, and I gave it a bit of a bath and some treats. Where are you going, Tofu? Come here. If I can get the cage door open. Come here, Tofu. Where'd you go? There you are. I know you want out. Come here. Come here. Okay, so that was weird. I just got a phone call. Come on, camera. Focus on Tofu, not the bars of the cage. Hi, Tofu. What you doing? What you doing? Are you a good Tofu? Yes, are you a good Tofu? Can I give you a pet? No? Okay, I will put my finger here. So I know Tofu's still scared of my finger because he backs away and watches it very carefully when I put it in the cage. But I have been able to hand feed it and give it some millet, so we're working on it. Definitely a lot better than when I first brought it home. What you doing, Tofu? Oh, finger. What you doing, Tofu? I know you're just infatuated with my camera, aren't you? What you doing? What you doing? Can I put my finger a little bit closer? Good Tofu. Yes, good Tofu. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, a little bit of preening. Who's a good Tofu? Who's a good Tofu? Are you a good Tofu? Can I bring my finger a little closer? Good Tofu. Yes, good Tofu. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Give you a little bit of a scritch. Oh, yes. Very good, Tofu. Yes, very good. So that's how far I've gotten for the most part. I have been able to get Tofu to step up a couple of times, but still very leery of my fingers. Very chatty though, which I absolutely love. Tofu, Tofu. Tofu, Tofu. So hopefully I'll get a few more videos of my training sessions with Tofu. I don't have a lot of space right now, but I'm looking into getting a new place, hopefully sometime within the next few months. So look forward to that, and Tofu and I will see you later, okay? Bye!